Welcome to Mr. Complete, where curiosity meets reality and ambition turns into income. Right now, millions of people are holding one of the most powerful financial tools in history in the palm of their hand, their phone. But most people use it only for scrolling, entertainment, distraction. Meanwhile, others are using the same device to build businesses, brands, careers, multiple income streams, and some are becoming financially free because of it. Today, we're exposing one of the biggest modern opportunities people still underestimate: why your phone could become your biggest income source. Part 1. The smartphone changed human history. Years ago, building income required offices, expensive equipment, connections, large investments. Today, a smartphone can do almost everything: create content, edit videos, run businesses, market products, communicate globally. That completely changed the rules of wealth creation. Part 2. Most people use phones to consume, not create. This is where the biggest difference appears. Most people spend hours daily watching videos, scrolling social media, consuming entertainment. Meanwhile, others use their phones to learn skills, create content, find clients, build brands. The same device creates completely different futures depending on how it's used. Part 3. Attention became modern currency. In today's world, attention equals opportunity, and phones became powerful attention machines. People build audiences through TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, X, and audiences create income, business opportunities, influence, brand deals. That's why creators today can earn more than traditional careers. Part 4. The United States creator economy explosion. In the United States, the creator economy is growing rapidly. People are making money from phones through video editing, affiliate marketing, freelancing, content creation, digital products, AI services. Some creators started with nothing except consistency and internet access. That's how powerful modern technology became. Part 5. Most people waste the opportunity. This is the sad reality. Many people spend years using phones only for distraction. Hours disappear daily. And over time, those lost hours become lost opportunities. Because while some people scroll endlessly, others quietly build financial freedom online. That difference compounds massively over years. Part 6. One skill plus one phone SKUC opportunity. One valuable skill can transform a phone into a business tool. Skills like editing, marketing, design, sales, AI automation, content creation can generate income globally from a smartphone. That was impossible for previous generations. The internet removed geographic limitations completely. Part 7. Social media is free exposure. One of the craziest opportunities today is free global reach. A person can upload one video and reach millions. That level of exposure was once available only to giant companies or celebrities. Now, ordinary people can build audiences from bedrooms. That's revolutionary. Part 8. Phones can build personal brands. Personal branding became one of the most valuable modern assets. Why? Because trust online creates opportunities. People follow creators they connect with emotionally, and that audience can eventually become customers, clients, communities. That's why phones became powerful business tools. Part 9. The future is digital. Technology is changing fast. AI, online businesses, digital services, remote work. The future economy is becoming increasingly digital, and people who adapt early will gain huge advantages financially. That's why learning how to use technology productively matters so much today. Part 10. The real truth. Your phone is not the problem. How you use it is the real difference. The same device can either destroy focus through endless distraction or create opportunities that completely transform life. That decision shapes modern futures. Final message. If you truly want a different future, start using your phone differently. Learn instead of only scrolling. Create instead of only consuming. Build instead of only watching others succeed. Because maybe the tool that changes your financial future is already in your hands right now. If this inspired you, hit like, subscribe to Mr. Complete, and comment, "My phone will make me money." Because here, we don't just talk about money, we talk about modern opportunities that can create real freedom. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.